Naalala pa tong very classic gospel song na to? I will bless the Lord, moment, and all that is within this name. Nag-upgrade na pala tayo ng IEM. Check nyo dyan sa baba kung interested kayo. Saka kung gusto mo na rin palitan yung luma mong stand, ito ay premium one. Matibay, mas sturdy. And gawing ganito yung setup mo, i-message mo lang ako. In this case, nire-harmonize lang natin yung pinaka-melody ng song. And I just incorporated some concepts ng 251s right here. There's an approach, there's a tension, and there's a release. This is my desired na chord, pinaka-landing chord. This is my resolution from that given tension. And some melodic flows. Oh my soul. Right? So, next chord niya needs to sound something like unstable. And it means meron na naman tayong gagawing movement. A dominant 9. Or you can tanggalin mo yung 5, make it 13. It's also good. That is with another tension before landing. Whew. Another tension ulit. This movement, sinundan ko lang yung diminished 7, targeting the 6. That's, gumawa lang ako ng third harmonies from that diminished 7 chord. A 5/7, substitution sa 5. Some sweet sixths gospel movement. And it's really beautiful. You can get some ideas from those movements na ginawa natin. On regular worship setting, medyo off yun. Pero for jammings, solos, and background music, it's good. So that's all for today. I hope na meron kayo nakuha.